self-love. Maybe that time you never they do blogging or they do presenter work.
A self-love in it, a man of a win, and we are going to have opportunity. Huh? What blog you do? Why what's up? Why the opportunity? When we are using it anywhere, I calm down. Oh, we make voice, you know, this sexy. Imagine we be the one. Well, you want me play train when we are done with her. Talk with him. Well, la life again. We're blogging and not Tori. We go Talia. You know, wherever. Where la life again. Then Monica of you were. What about a blogger? Hey, Monica, you are blog. I want a message to Monica. Message to Monica. Hey, I have a blog. Because of Biragiri. Message to Monica. Anybody no grow. Who you money? Monica, you are again. Hey, you are Fernand, make Monica. Hey, oh, you grow. Oh, no, say we have a kudos name Monica. Where we self-love. Self-care.
Now YouTube now did that time when that girl call me.
I mean, I try good job.
When she called me, she complained. In fact, that guy sent me audios, including a word song where Destiny did do shame through. I was having those audio. I never played. When I hear that little boy voice, I was like, God, now person I use your song to do shame through. Now, person I use your song to do central so.
20,000 like or no audio, no topic. Now see they do now. Ima momo wago. Mama wego na. Abeti we agwa o igbere sister ino do mweru yo mo wari uma. Ima mo wego. Ego yakwe mo uya recharge. Ego yakwe mo uya recharge tafia. Ima be gu wagwa sis dey respect wa. Ego yakwe mo adoge mama u recharge. Na di ade video me flow kile na video ko ado dan be tafia. U recharge. Ota odao, o ma give na gift me ota odao. Gbera vieke. Rubbish. Why mama love, God bless you that. E ma gbon re ba lare. Gbera vieke. Ba ma fijwa, na ba re go moto zati. Na di ado ma ye ku to te mu aguya. Why ma Juliet? Wa na gbera odao. Tu senti age me, age ro. I ma pa o Tori. I momu wa go. Mori e ba ru wa bi mu. Wa re ba ni ma gbon re nu wa. So the Najukadi abeg please muna gift me na God bless you Najukadi o baby ari me ni ana agu wagwa Najukadi una give me ya be degbo later you may go ya degbo na God bless you sisi 30 who am I? Go they spoke to her. Who am I? I didn't joke. Thank you, my love. God bless you. I didn't joke. Who am I to say so? People when they give me me they say. That joke I do. Who are we? Who are we to challenge you? Who be we? Huh? Can't we give a gift you need do a money day power tap, no problem, gift you need. Or what my part, what your body so to wipe power tap. Just gift. Yeah, this is correct. Wow. Or an I bet the magic. Bed na wa ya mo efua awa mo efua na e bed e ma ya be bed na be we bo eh uno give na 256 temata na egbo de bed wo ya na temata this woman can talk truth e di ori makao awa me do avi pon lele ma ise gba kara gba e t-shirt ogona do vie lele do tiakwa me. When I work me, it bed up. I do via t-shirt lele. I mana do via bana. E kene spring green mana do via t-shirt lele. Oh, zage no zi my sister. Ide wow. Ni mari yena. E yikbe noise. Ni ma do ense. Oh koko. Understand? They go na pe noise na bia ru de noise wa me we be de na pe noise. Gavi de ge na. Noise ge de ro. E ge no ko. Salon Pamela, but even in the nature, say nobody else this time I've been a ring. But so all I really. Oh, who's not worry, boy? What? Ah, Jesus. Hey, it is sweet. Ah, I was been now. What's the name of one? You are me one. Where would we are? Esther, we look at Iraqmo. I'm your own. Yo. God bless you. I always say for the gift. God bless your sister.
I won't know anything about say the man Jews as some pedos true. I don't think so. Because that time they never marry. They never marry at all. You understand? So my sister, please next time get your facts right before passing a message to people. Not be heard words. Now Destiny ex-girlfriend. The reason why that girl publish Destiny Bola pre-comments.
Yeah.
Destiny called it threatening that girl with her own naked.
Hey, you are threatening VA. When Destiny we have a problem with VA. Cause I have guessing you all like all those things. Say man, if you want also, be bet to play in London. Or go threatening be. Or what threatening or go be. Meaning you might make sense. You woman no be man. A threatening no. What your mama? What be threatening be? Or in what other figure you wonya? Or you go you wonya, my love. That thing who not threatening, my threatening one. We might didn't be a didn't be where man. Then if you buy you wait is with 40 years in there. Ebagua, we might waiting with 40 years in there. They get any year respecting book we can where I enjoy be after by age. We can be now. Don't they threaten people? I got threatening man. Why no man ya Ebagua? Why no man ya your name is stop pay. Who you work here? When my go be your country rock book or Loadooh. Man, I can wear the kind of rock pine. Understand? They can where you go and say, I be a case on a whopper. Any with 5 naira, they can kill. With 5 naira. Any enjoy. What beggar you are?
Yes, sir. My baby no, but my baby will go on.
Okay, that because he prepare but we don't know I beg. Okay.
Oh, I beg.
Okay.
I'm asking why I do one.
You are free. You are free. Why till I do? Why till I do? You are free.
Hello, mommy, background.
EJ wa both here.
Come on.
When I do come, woman, I'm making a way, organic because of how a big move away. Now we hate to look Ebagua, nothing. It your way last 4 years. Let me not support it. So, Monica, look Ebagua, very picture of a while ago. One now. Your boy, you couldn't really where I to when start to
Mama, Monica no why? Monica, big man wife, you know.
Who want to buy it?
No.
Who will buy it for you?
Anything.
So if you should have buy it for you, what should I buy for you? So why you not you want to talk to him? If you try it again next time, even little like this, I don't want to see it. If the teacher call me again, or Tuesday, I have appointment with the teacher because of you and Shedrack.
Me drop you go when on please wala wo. It's even all the time, please. Okay, la video. Okay, me for you work wala. Wa di fu wa ji Wa di fu wa beg okay no don't make love with live video ma. Do I make love? Wala o. Iye ti agba re ma ni bun yi, iye ti gba re meme ni bun. No man ọ̀rọ̀ rí mẹ́mu. Wala o. Ye. Mami. Ona hwemi. No. Ye iwa mo me foro. Kema emu me la wodu kun rede. Wala o. Why ya dey problem wala dia? E page na iyan ya fe set a video to. Any van. A big page, please. A 1 million guata. I understand.
Wa be gwa wa me wa ya gwa
Well now, please.
Olori gwa me no let see wa shy mommy blue ni.
Wa please. Mommy.
We wala do wala please.
Wa mo table wa wala. Is a big page. Wa beg even me as wa go a big page wa day. You have to be extremely careful. And I'm when ye for that I mean one ye mama blue ya live I we me ya even maybe we or ya very similar but say mo ye po. Understand but wa they careful.
Careful.
On the way have your mobile school near obey where a day no way. Fine, it's normal. Understand? I'm when we're washing them. Why they careful? I can't sit at home. Baby, that's love. Maybe ye page or baby at it. I mean, one at it. Wala go. Wage no wa muri social media. At the end of the day, yeah,
family wa. Please.
Wala be more na na be suwa na we mommy blue like saga be.
I understand.
Allow.
Yeah, you are on wage but once we are you or rather working on like it you are for ye.
Not everybody day all my affian with phone, understand? But one cannot do very careful. I understand why she no most. She be like she go carry her children for school.
Yeah, man, I may drop it, but if not, why you tell your man, you may drop it because here we it will be we be done with school. So without no answer in your work, you may drop a me so go we understand, but I when I advise not loud. Yeah, what you say, what would we agree now, please? Loud. No, they marry, man. Let it arrive. No, mommy, I think we want maybe for your
security.
Security, God bless you. Yeah, what you feel love you want to do, but what is secure a good one. Let it really like, I know they are drop of the other got it.
Maybe I'm not getting on.
I don't know.
Hey,
no. I don't know.
Okay, wait there for where you're here making love me.
And now you may be Robbie. I know a good like me again here. Ya go anywhere. Get a daughter got here. Beauty, mama, because then they repair my phone yesterday. Because I don't disturb our man. Again, me ya sell them ya mama. Muti go me. I will me do ame ma. They say like that. Any get drop it. Every year, but when you do ame, ya we what here? Obuguma. Ke comment section. Ya get drop. The woman I go la do. You know the way my big brother not what you do arrow man, you do a charge.
Why do? Why daughter? When I cannot drop in.
Oh, wait down, I'm going to do it. Then when you go a request, may drag you a money, may wine or what do I with me?
Where I do now?
I'm woman, the man that comments the job. What you go? Baby, oh, what you man like no sense now?
My phone good where I wish.
What do I for? No, I'm going to my body. I'm not going to wake here. You are the hero. I want your wood. Oh, we might like no sense. Oh, you are not going to be your name.
Nothing was that was it. Yeah.
Mommy,
You say no say
boy, you send a request. Why we get we omonia we egba we ne name egba yo da fo ego ma we no. Omani o send a request. Okay, no, mommy, imagine that for no, mommy, no, money or one more, money or send it.
Oh, I was saying now make fun. The money when I don't there.
That thing reach 20 seconds.
Eh.
My, getting no money. I send the request. Again, clamas in the say every or second year.
No, yeah, I slept well. How are you? Slept well?
Huh?
You slept well?
Agatha, my lovely daughter, again, sweetheart.
Oh, Sato Lagata. 7 eyes, 7 rapper.
Mommy, la come on.
Again, sweetheart.
Come on. I go to mama, I go to aso. I know about what they mana, I marry mana, they know it. If not, yeah, to bonnet because they probably can't be demon and know it. Yeah.
No, I don't wear that. We have wear. But we are saga as well. Yeah, my best.
You know that one, another story of yesterday. I don't forget.
Yeah,
a pretty daughter, no, eh?
Every daughter, no.
Pretty daughter, we was your guy, Lily, make me now. Pretty daughter, we was Yana, said to.
Why was Sato? A lot of weather.
Long time.
No see mama. Ìwà bẹ̀rù wà bọ̀ náà bọ̀ ṣẹ̀yìn náà bẹ̀rù wà ní ẹ̀gún mi náà náà. Gẹ́gẹ́ ní ìwà rúmọ̀ ìròdẹ̀ ìkẹ́ ẹ̀pọ̀ màríkò.
Wow.
Àti àdrive. Àti àdrive Wetin talk.
Kakabo very important. Oh, you know every na.
Wàyà wà dánmọ́ o.
Dánmọ́ sá.
Àwẹ̀ tẹ́mẹ̀ nìkan. Kìnà gbé dọ́gí o, nọ́mọ̀ ẹ̀yìn ká rọ́lẹ̀ o, wàyà wà dánmọ́ o.
Oji.
Màá mi lábò.
Kojo, èmi ajé na sweetheart.
Ẹ ṣe. Sato wa me sugar mommy afana.
Oh, you didn't see when you are not my sister. Wa be fit to na wala be fi wi me wa here set.
Oh, ẹ mọ̀ gbé.
Ya na ya me ya set.
Ọ̀tọ̀ ṣe bode no ni sister. Ẹ for Sato e be. Okay, na tu na sister Sato bo yan o we ni.
Sato si e sha o.
O we ni o Sato. No ke de ni we na ati we na we ta.
O ye na. Ire wa. Bini ni le iwe. O Sato che je ni na. Sato che je ni.
If you see the way I called it provoke yesterday. I think I'm more. Also, I know what I called to because of TikTok. For normal life, people are provoke.
Oh, where doctor?
You are provoke.
Ọ̀nà wa bò sùrè.
Ọ̀nà wa lẹ̀ dọ́tọ̀ gbé.
Wọ́n wá gá gbé fèmọ́ ọ̀gá mi lóde. Ẹ mọ̀ ní ká iṣẹ́ ló pọ̀ gé bàrọ̀.
Ẹ yẹ ní bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ọwọ́ mi rọ̀ ọwọ́ F ọ̀tá ọwọ́ F.
And then.
Ọ̀tá ẹ̀ ló dẹ̀ nà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá bẹ́ẹ̀ bọ̀ yá gun àjọ mi lóde.
Ọwọ́ F yẹn káká wẹ̀ yẹn tẹ́ gá àkàdé mọ́gá ọwọ́ F wọ́n ní ibi kọ̀ọ̀kan.
Sato a strong fan ọ̀rẹ́ náà.
A doctor decide what?
Ordinary, you know the way.
One thing about Monica, they're very, very manipulative.
That's so.
If you don't see any weird dog, most at the beginning of in water where I'm Edward fan in here. That one. The reason in Edward fan, I am not saying where.
Are you stockfish?
Edward is a perfect person. No.
Catch up. The phone for them.
Well, mute your question. TikTok it.
Edward is not a perfect person. No. Edward is not a saint. No. Because before you marry that kind of a man, you are not a saint. Neda be 10 years. Again, I have to 10 years with but if the boy they are going to 15 years now, you are not a saint. That's the plain truth and the blunt truth. But what we are fighting for, Edward fan, in Agbinaji where Aga swimming and this is a traditional platform. Edward is a senior wife. She needs to be respected. That's just it. If you want ne fan of Egbina, and as a good Edo, knowing the tradition, every senior wife, a younger wife, Lawani, okay, Kenari Eugene is senior wife. The person you are fighting for coming out to disgrace the first wife like that, it is no, it's not accepted in any way. In our tradition, is not. There is no way you can paint what is bad. What is bad is bad. Nobody is saying where she's an innocent. You understand? It's just that she was smarter than the second wife. What am I going to say? Like, no protect a reputation where protect a business. Protect he is smarter than the second wife. You understand? Amawe sense, get that into your head. No, she's not a saint. Amawo madzeba maeve nenigo or evo. Etitawi emaevo. Or that fine very good woman na. Or very good na no be afiriko. But the second wife he was lads and to pour his sort on her. Is no, it's not accepted. Or said a platform in manama demand apology. Akabo. Apology, a general apology. To Edward, no. Utotasi, you are supposed to apologize to the senior wife and go and sort your issue indoor. Try as much as possible. You are sort it indoor. It's a polygamy family. Where polygamy is zoro, but bringing it out of social media, no. And when I walk we what do the social media? Don't not tell what the man with me. Of course, what you offend you now. Of course, who are most to offend which all Edo people are with Vanagarowa. Definitely, I must agree. But when I lads are doing sort a publicly or see any fancy when I agree, you understand. And if you are sensible enough, a sorry when you want to win your fan back. My sister, apologize to her and move on. That's it. You don't need to be friend with her, no. But just apologize. Move on with your life. Because I'm not save when 100 things is no kata na matter ni my mirror. So on your car only like maybe say 70% the problem family wana. Oga even am record here ni ya. Oga we wa me record wa me matu wa mogodo. Eso na ga jeve ni nana. You understand? Oga it am record here even as a another professional we know. No matter bias we know. As a presenter, Tawian presents. They'll ask questions first. According to her, she said she was being manipulated by Edward near you are not. And then you are not professional in what you are doing. You're not professional. I have mommy. Even some will try to bribe her. Yeah, the last what's it called? Adultery case in Amo. People was trying to cover her mouth with money. But we even in the area like to stand for the truth. How can we win a professional according to you? Fine. How can we win when I cannot not even if the first wife you don't want me go. When the other no that thing at least you damn the other phone. Even if for tower board that thing ya go. Who will damn a part of it? So it's that one is your responsibility. But for Edward to sit down, is wrong. That one is wrong. You can't set it away a fin or get any away a part in your man wrong give up. Or agree at the very artist or
the bono we are moving.
I want to come and we am a bugger.
Oh, where what no we what's the time you know day? Or where what the guy ever even am what the man setting.
On the do am a bugger. Me how?
Because you yak be Latiana, you
Emi no bugger. Emi do ati bi roga. Ni ya te bozi. Mara no travel gani wrong. E woman am ya fake boto.
But I knock by mommy, my tell me a record in now. Tell
Well, yeah, more than 1,000. Well, the beginning of your lajana.
But mommy, let's be sincere. But for Ewa to stand there, now my bugbe woman.
Wherever I want to carry what the ram ya stand here.
Any high now, mommy.
I believe in Monica. I gave you a way, your way, my
but said you're high now.
Okay, no. My Monica. When I'm making a blood test, like, okay, no.
Okay, mommy. Or I ever no is wrong.
Ever I might tell you the royal words.
Well, anyway, mommy, I'll go with Tana. Or I ever no. A word or wrong give you money. Or I ever no. But the responsibility went on where the professional in way. You understand? And another thing, you coming out this time to say it. Okay, it's where we double area. Would you just believe?
Etosh, agree. Ebonati 4 years ago. Another time we the last year. Another year to you the year now.
But why that affected the woman? Can I Monica?
I was not your name, chef. You're not
But my sister, when I want to anyway, tell what you will, you know. I want to know it so no back or was say. Why I will man it so naturally.
And we are done here, buggy, while we're there.
Oh, I'm not sick. What do you Monica? Oh, not sick.
That was people are back in a woman, almost say, or back in it. I want to make so naturally. So, organ is
give us a bowl of igbe.
I know.
What?
Whatever agreement to a pretty daughter.
No, it's the place or the pretty daughter.
What are you saying? Mommy, like me to a baby, and I you
don't start before now. Bolo the bab. Where bolo be? Video. Go watch the video. Wait, last year.
I got that question. Matter. I'm not yeti. If not, tell you know the atana. I got that question. What follow a word me? I got that question. The platform. What follow a page or me?
That was when my sister now was when.
But I
not me say person they talk something we will not talk truth. The video when for comment when for comment say last year when we wait now might tell you if you not get the video make a send and give mommy send and give it. The video when for comment talk say we wear black jalabia when got say your mouth ever when cover abolo or movie video na abolo.
Your bear be talk abolo. Yes or no?
Oh, mommy, why do you?
It's
Gano, again, as you have been poor, you have Esther. The Esther have a bit of any woman notice say, yeah, you have been born in
somebody say yes,
beautiful natural hair. She has it.
No, be that one.
She has a beautiful natural hair.
Other thing I will.
If you when I did it to no me, la wo pretty daughter, get face matter no it.
All back in Wetin on Tosha is true. Based on maybe later now she continue her continue. I don't know what you
go back.
But no, the time where you talk so. The time where we dey talk, when you dey talk so on touch. Now that time where they call the God the saga, I don't know what they call the God saga that time. We have Estanyana Rukoni.
No,
back now.
Oh, no, that one. The spicy, I think it's a spicy whatever blog. No, not via
spicy juice.
The spicy juice. No, not via the shot wherever. If you can cut it, shot between the both of them. Again, another where I think their trouble started from there though. Again, another where what the walking again lesbian or wherever. Where they said a lot of things about her though. So like the fake accounts, a side of Pananga on the other side or so what the lad we ma Ivana ye black hair jalabia. So again, she has a natural hair, pretty daughter. You understand? Yeah, why we're very only 90 to me film women la wo. Yeah, why
Okay, hello.
Your touch. Well, my we not see any money can I get by star. One way Monica got here, we quadole, Monica. Ovigenia ki be ba ya meti we gbe ko na gi de buy.
Okay. Yeah, tell me, Mama, please. Mommy, Abi, they be too cute, Nabi.
They be too cute. Mommy, just put there.
Yeah, he might only block you when they win zone. And the only time when I block you when every time I page. Every time I won't allow my page. I don't block you.
Change your profile picture, darling.
I don't block her.
Well,
we didn't get anybody. What time? I won't allow my page. So continue. Family, don't Eti ma wigwe mana mewe eti ma wigwe mewe bioba. So awe festival re baba ana jemi ni eta we festival nothing. And then why am we magboto na wa vip money na American. E go ale dey street. E gene do pe baba out of the ovi. Ama respect our money. A pretty daughter we no here abi.
You know, yeah, pretty daughter.
After my man is school, I open allow me.
Queen, they not boy.
No,
we are say king of king TikTok king where Nana ya zerebo.
A mommy yes man. Not go there. Yeah, it's a bit.
Yeah, no.
What is several pa? Na Doris purity abi.
Doris
purity. Doris purity. Can you unmute yourself, darling? I be to the records.
The national.
But to the records. Why have you been social
media? Mommy, he greets you. Mommy, good afternoon. She greets you.
Hey, man, we're not going. We're not running. We're not on mute. We're not on mute.
Unmute yourself. Have I dropped it, Nania?
No, drop it. We're not on mute.
Unmute yourself and talk. Or that baby send the request. Tell me what you do. I record you, Nania. If you can't talk.
Record. Hello,
mommy.
I
can't record when my wife to a man when I was drop because
come, mommy.
Because you beg a good way to that cat will be okay mute. That cat will be.
Okay.
So you have fun.
I see.
Okay.
Party ni ase gbon yi mo mi agree o ya ase gbon ya. Ogen e word na gbe toni. Aso pa ni na ka review the next time na ka re post where roderi no wana re mare yen. Ni na dokoko we a video with TikTok. I was in that time where because of a Tony a full frontal we are one or what do I do that we or what's any babolo or what's any babolo get babolo was up back the bonnie have no then
I want to tell you we're not a family when I family my friend or one.
Exactly.
Man, understand anything now so mundo man I hate how to take in your way. Man, okay. What of a German and they tell what wall on a level years. If when I am a lucky too.
So mommy, ni ana jian ya 20 bolo. Ti ma oni awa time no se ni ana gba bolo.
Only me not China where I
Monica na me we ni na Monica beta. Mommy, Monica beta.
Yeah, Ghana. Why Monica? Oh God, hey, Monica. Monica.
Why Monica?
Wow, my
Oh, we are about to tell the mommy. They're lucky.
All time, mommy, maybe ma watch the video. All time.
So,
Asani ana tracking ya we nene mi ya gba we jiyan we 3 son. Asa we ke niga no after me ya we birthday we ya.
Exactly, sir. Hey, again, you know. Again.
wa follow che gwa ni do support e word na wa follow wa agbede to
Na igbe na jina wo de nia.
my sister o mana do go we si ni oda fun we gbi na o
Inia say na gbina
That was the gbina
Mama
no.
na my sister.
o se la
Inia say na gbina
Ma se
Ogoma.
Inia so
w wa w wa ma se what am
Amana okay na ge several paka gwa na before
ya se rapa
No see ni na we or say na gbina according to allegedly normally yan evama ke no gbina ye kia because yan evaya ka de kia na be se kia e wo isi gbina na
about 7 owo
o ma say na gbina
my sister
no pe wa go no ka te kia na e ri for the love ya
Omi ija yeah me na me wan ka biene ona do me second one at I want to fall in love I'm falling like at the verse for them
where if you fall
in love what do you mean by that what do you mean
yes so they care
no I be agbere
no they fit fall in love again say we are down and wrong thing anytime you talk this
me matter now me to make the whole story short I work for their matter reason their matter me do live for Esther Esther and this Ebagua they be Aries and they be the same senior and can really compare no go and look at it let me tell you what February or whatever is not compatible with them. Go check it out.
20 years.
Mommy, I want to go
What the 20 years?
Which marriage? Which 20 years?
Hello. Wow, hold on, please. Evil award. Be here for your repage, be one hour, please. Okay, so if on the record.
Okay, go where not analyze Sha. No, why we not nobody some about when nobody not say next.
Not say Leicester. Doris, we are there.
I see I mommy, I see I na what 20 years near what that thing you be na.
Who if we 20 years or it about 50 years okay I love her.
Mommy.
Hold on, queen. Yes, Doris wait 20 years. Who if we wait 20 years old what on? We love her what on. One year. I can say sentiment. We love to
work. Mommy, yak bene.
Yak bed or when you stay.
No, the way ba.
Okay. Queen, hold on again. Okay, now one. Hold on.
Call the way we find one.
Oh, you go more than man. I feel.
Okay, la nene de tizo si ma so so ko
e man alle na
wa ko eteme ni ga wa ya fefe ni re platform wa ko yo
no deal with who to go to no ma deal with
no jeme wa la mogu no ma jeme wa domo sister right here ebi ni ata mommy here look be anoro teme no but let's keep that aside. He was liking Eva naturally, but he word they know that be nature we live video or during even what the yani we advert here we advert here wa filita then we Esther Gbina don't join your way be imagine you were Gbinaji come to think of it I wait 20 years I be 30 years where the destiny here 30 years in the Akaba relationship was bad. Destiny was once married. I was in that marriage with a Nadia now. Because to me, only a nemesis. In the way they no car river, also that winner. Then we drag it. I believe we agreement no. Let's start who agree because we a destiny to boy is a polygamous person. Destiny was married. You got it, I mean. Obasuni the Saple Road. What the opponents at this one, Joshua. Ona marry again in at Nadia. We are honey again. Where we sanu we are lile. Najana do worry. You moved in. I know in everything we are moving like worry I know.
True, you tell sister. Come carry on. It's not true.
Yes, now the way it's so banana. What's women I accept it. Everybody type here, Esther, or ya mi odo, mami odo. What the mami o ma odo. Then I call you on. I don't want you on one of the way. So accepted, you accepted her. One has one way, if you ever, was there walk back. One have prepare everybody. Then no isuna. I just be like I make another agree family. I make another agree. I manage another agree. Agree a dollar. Anything soon. I just do one idea. I was soon. Opo wa mekere na. 5 wives, they didn't marry. 5 wives, they didn't one marry. Everybody was respected, babe. Me I got called in the working more reporting man where I am general beso. Yeah, bele me aladia. Yeah, what dole me aji. E wa so e na keso me polygamy. E can no modo is a polygamous family. Ebagua is a polygamous family. So remember they know their news. Everybody was so where Esther. Let's forget that. What it is what it is. Or Johnny or Gonik beso that Wuhan or Loto toy or your Gonik bay. We're not Joe money or Gonik boy. We're really not Pado your Gonik boy. You understand? No, that one or Temen or way. I don't know what is happening. Because when I go one of my cousins one a few days ago, also know any little thing and now J and that's in Lajana. And you also are your her. I don't know what's going on. You understand? So everyone should act like a senior. I didn't see anything there. It's not a new thing. Should act like a senior, my sister. You understand? I went to where Dr. Babi was done. When you're my that settles it to in nemesis in everybody rest. If you reach your if you not reach your take her like that. You see and say dead the apple. You come meet her. Why you they cry?
Mama, I agree. Mama, you know what? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Destiny man.
Yes.
Before King what there?
I get a destiny now we go young. I don't know. I get a destiny ya lele word.
Not okay.
Megan no yaso lele.
Yeah.
But the destiny marry again. Ni ma fe ga marriage ni be Saple Road.
Yeah.
Then I traveled. Even a Casaba day. It just not don't move. Cause me no you don't move me there on the Saple Road be. But here country motel junction or something. I don't hear ko ya won wa rese. He say I di head on akina. If I me do again na dia Euro kwa. Na we air word. I be hearing about that air word. Na air word my way ko you be NSF. One time, the one place in by again one place like that on a function of she came. In the that was the very first they needed we are in a word my twigby. So I was like, what happened to Nadia? We are bezo. But every case was already in my brother's house. I was like, okay, no wala. Fine, because people when Nadia get separate me. But that time when you were following, he was married. You knew it. It's not a big deal. What they get with polygamous, no? If my brother is a mature man, he know what he wants. Wetin have a piano again?
Yeah, mommy, I want to make my water for a real again. You okay? Sorry, I'm Ebagua, alleged.
Yes, now. So you know, whether I look then if you are soon now, what you are at a cent. I beg, whatever it is, people should settle yourself inside the house instead of bringing it to social media.
Okay,
that's what to bring it to social media.
Mommy Queen.
When I say nakabo like a bit for free Kenya, I only know. We are begging. And the young later when I way a woman now pretend. Oh, yeah, we sent here now. Well, a woman now, because according to the way your woman of Wagua, they sent in the no, worry about maybe because my mommy on my door, understand. I don't understand. They sent me who was my understand.
For me, I don't really know the sense they are talking about. But what I'm angry about today, if you are a senior in the house, and a polygamy, our family is they are polygamous. You understand? Oko, Nodio, or the second one here. You do yourself. Waladia, when they married Esther, Waladia, we gave our him. We were all happy. Wadwa shukupo kuyima, we were all happy. So all these fights now, no sunu na. Also the dad okay. What sunu? Why we gave her? What sunu no man I control? What sunu? Start what you finish. You finish what you start. Finish it.
Okay, meaning where
there's no need of dividing yourself.
You know the boy accept or give her. Meaning you are taking the shit.
Mommy, yeah, where not no who can't believe. There are so many things that is hidden. My mama boy.
You're not saying me no. We're taking a woman and a rogue, you know.
Mommy, am I not soon? Before okay, to meet the other one, they or don't react. Am I not soon?
My begging her.
My begging, I don't know.
My begging, Esther, mommy, agree. Esther,
apology, no, the over there. They told us Kataka because the destiny.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Even when she was even singing, Esther was singing, the both of them was dancing.
Yes.
And all that.
Mama, is it you? Good afternoon, ma.
I'm okay, sweetheart. I'm okay, my love. Okay, now.
Somebody
Queen's okay. My love. J beautiful. Voice or Gbela. We support him.
Okay, we must support mommy because in Miami with social media, Esther will hold near me. Me aga we Tracy no na ari na agboya. Why azaga we Facebook? Why azaga we internet what na ro Wester. Here na video Wester me am Wester gun anaje no to legbe
my sister la wabilite. Evali bubo bowa be gube la for those who are use English. Here we are only participate, please.
Okay.
But use a broken.
No, they use a broken mommy. Okay. We know what me why I got soon. We are soon when they start to do all this, they are doing something. People love them, but some people were also saying the demand they use they do threesome. You know. Now this internet the cause is scattered there. Now this internet was scattered there. But after Wetin me I notice, Wetin made the scatter for that they are doing something where they do. He get one video where what they Esther has. I don't know whether I see the video. She they talk to Esther. They call the video her. There's a blessing a secret. There's a person they video her.
Yeah.
Secretly where she they scratch body.
Yeah.
Now so that not here where they use the swear this thing. So now that thing they motivate their husband carry the go go use the swear. So we show that bad. Again, at that time they shave their hair. You understand? So this one, waiting the apple for it and where all of four they see. Now this last one, and the second wife they find the senior wife trouble.
Mama wait. That time when they talk, then carry the juju come out. Then talk until they go swear juju. I be with this say now we here.
Mommy, they not bring her come out. But now wetin would know na true na true they shave hair that time.
What you not?
Mommy, and a video ni always send the go. Video ni no na tole gbe no na we record there. Mommy je wa gbe magwa lo because me mami o. Wa send the game mommy na
video. E mo tata e ma gege temi ni mami.
Video bu wa send na unu aga ti save. E ma woni ma wa na gerere.
E video ni o de siezo ni ya kwa we na agien ya 20 point. Abi won we no menika let's na no hear am we Monica dey talk am.
Yeah we na true.
Now the second one they find the senior one trouble. Before the senior one reply, you go know say that one don't find a trouble tire. The last one don't find a trouble. So now the senior one side me I do. I too love the woman. If you see her comportment, I think she they try before she come they do video. They reply the last one where she they say her hair not be her fault. Everybody knows say this is the last one a troublesome person. She they always when they follow the right up. She they always look for the senior one trouble. And anytime when she won't release music like this my father's daughter. Or my car board anyway TikTok yamaka boja we ni ye gwale mi no ja ere ni ona am sorry. Why my notice anytime where Esther won't release a song, she go they find trouble for social media. Make her this thing for say, make her music for say, she go dey find trouble. Make una reason that thing, she don't only find trouble if you look her well anytime she won't release music. This one where she sing now, my father's daughter.
Jay blessing. Jay blessing. Hold on, mommy, answer a question now. Caller, are you with them at home? Mommy, answer.
Oh, for Jay blessing.
Okay, I'm not already with them, Ero. It's any mommy answer. I'm not all wire or if not me social media, I go. Nobody should attack anybody like that. Mommy, la go answer. Mommy be like you answer my question.
Okay, man, where the mommy answer that?
Comment section.
Comment section. Where are you with them at home?
Yes, yeah.
Jay blessing, we better when.
Mama, I would like to say
you the pump.
Another person talk, man.
Who still see truth for Wetin I talk? Who see truth for Wetin I talk?
Now I want talk so now make her talk say Sister Jay blessing. Make she with me another person still talk. You understand?
Another person. Now still let person talk.
Well, hold on, please.
Good afternoon, man.
Good afternoon.
Hey, come on, big woman. Why their play no reach evening? You see, play where person they play where that they use because of person they play, not be true love. That they are play be say because say people they against them for social media and I made them play that play, not be say true love, true day. Because any play where be say love day. For two of them, yes. Any play with love day, he must reach first. Not they feel separate them. And another thing I go still advise them, may they remove their marriage for social media. They see two wives where even worse past this their own. They will still live in peace. So that maybe their husband live long. Because all this while I know they make man.
A man and last.
Know they make man. They God give him a long life. You understand? Because the wahala too much. And the two women when you go pull hand, they pass on. You understand? They're big person. And now work where saying safe. But maybe we still help him because saying our brother, because we know still that we say we make go from it.
Not fear pam cannot be wood there. Not be for there. The cluntus. You understand?
See our brother. That's solution we talk to.
All of us we dey talk
for their own good,
for their own life. You understand? They don't already made the mistake. Now solution we come want now. It don't already happen. They see man wey marry one wife.
No matter we control. God bless you.
Not to say yes, not to say two wife. The issue is that the second wife not be saying na in they find trouble, and not be say I decide any of them. Before that second wife come dey, if you even look at na music it they do it own. Because me they follow and see they follow Esther. Even get one music where Big Mommy they played. Why even they play this morning? Where say in the house they marry your husband, he not marry person. Na music, na parable. Yes, say na a house. No ya dolu ni me Mario dere. Unyi ozo kwa mebo. All those where I do are mates don't already dey. No need of all those things. So that make peace reign. Two of them na thief they go, not be the girls.
The Coco, that music where that woman play.
I not support her.
Okay. At this time now, with the masses now, they call it say, Wetin they do. We love the second one. That's why we talk say Wetin she did because of her music career. Made the thing not affect her music career. I see one video today when her godmother, first where we know traditional woman where they dance part, I think mommy part also Abby, joined this same second wife to apologize to the people. You understand? So is this supposed for that second wife now? As it can't be say everywhere they hot now. Is it supposed make that second wife play this music we play so?
Not supposed.
Okay, according to this music where this woman plays so, this woman ready to be loyal to the first wife so. Say you say me you want make peace.
He not even ready. And
okay, fine.
He not ready for one day.
They collect the beating now, not pure.
He not ready, and their husband not see the help matter. Their husband they join the small one, they beat the small one.
I made round up so that me another person talk.
No, as mommy.
Okay.
Osato, not cut me short. I know what time they do. As mommy here did they talk, we need to they ask her a question. Did you get? More they bring the points they come at. You understand me?
Okay.
Now to
The
respect
the two
talk.
the two women for me, they not to get problem. Now the man I ain't get the problem because now the man I not fit handle them. You understand? If the man not join any of them, I'm not sure say the junior one, but you go just dey because if you look wetin all in family, the cause the way still talk today, now see the Esther, he see the penta and go meet. You understand? It just be like say the senior one, they don't need am again because why you know what that Zemion Jawe?
Okay, as
If
they
two
not
cause they go fit come out for social media. No one come out. That is the
come out for who now?
because he don't born put. He don't
say may go at the age of
He don't be see and say
according to them.
first one not good, second one not good. Now this third one.
Obiara na be ari told us mas who when the young boy aju oga ya gbe mama
because stamp on
Yes,
the family oga wa
me want see ask one question. I hear one thing whether not true I don't know. Here oga ro we pa first man oga lo we ke me o ri o ni mute tell me.
Oga do vaga Ebagua.
We say ri o me dem matter no.
Bona red.
Me don't understand you now. Whether na the senior one side or na the junior one.
My sister na
Anyway, any side they talk the two sides. Everybody talk. They give you body.
My sister for me na the senior one side that day. You can normal press someone because of one thing or the other. For now, if the senior one do bad thing tomorrow, I will still come out to condemn it. Our tradition allows this one as a platform.
Okay. Thank you for the correction. Thank you.
Polygamy. So it is now your choice to choose whether you want to be in that circle or not. But our tradition allow. Do you understand me? So for our tradition, they're not the younger one, not they pull hand for the senior one head. Or my sunu there. So why is this this generation now? The person that is trying to change the narrative, she's a musician and she has a fan. You understand? She's like young girls. They not praise her as a mother. She was not the one that bet them. So there are still a lot of young girls who look up to her. Do you understand? Everybody must not be a polygamist. So polygamist. Why when any guy marry a second wife, do Ario Boye or do Ario Boye? Do you know who is Esther? We are not supporting me, Dana. Esther is celebrity now, and people are looking up to her. Let's not lie.
He's not, but everybody knows but
no, but even if for women down. But there are people that want to, okay, fine, this lady, I just want to, as in, I love her star. I want to be like her tomorrow. What of tomorrow? I not look up to her. Tomorrow, on your day, second wife. Why is she trying to teach that one? No, your boy, not you one. No, now. We are not saying we're not young. For me, I am not saying not young where a perfect human being, no, where she's not guilty of crime. And then there time and way she's smarter than Esther. Everyone is smarter than Esther. One, she protects her reputation, which is not making Esther only. Did you get me? But Esther coming out to insult Edward in public, it is no. Why get pente? Whether you are going to Jerusalem, whether car no. What is wrong is wrong. In a polygamy rules, nekere or respecting audio. Or here tier bonnet, we're not tier bonnet. Why no my idea public in order tier bonnet? It is no. It's not acceptable. You understand? Other things in a back where Edward you fine. I will be Edward did I knew Agbe. But this one now, wala supporting me while was supporting. Now so he bring the record 4 years ago. Now so he bring the record, they marry her. They not marry her. The husband not come out with this same our musicians sit down and say we have forgotten everything that happened. Let's move on. Yes or no? Yeah, that's why we prepare them. Nima. So we love that unity in that family. When you continue unity, whether we pretend, don't even care. Why you continue unity? Why social media? But no carry mwere. Okay, now gbese. Okay, what do we mwere bahwe? Abegbe. So let's stand for the truth. I don't know when I don't understand. Or where we been? I have backbone. when you have that over. But the one on my other social media first doing sorte or give a musician now. And she has a reputation to protect. When I say people protect a reputation, when I protect a reputation, okay, white Beba. They go and learn. And she came out to apologize. Already to apologize.
Names, but the write-up is directly to her word. That write-up is directly to her word.
Direct to, yes, now. There's an insult.
Because why? If you see me, you look the
tomorrow now. A boy first try. Nobody. When my yard man back where no him no that when over where.
Yeah, not there.
Why support him here? You guys should be extremely careful. The constant thing in life is changed. I might be a first wife now. It might not that for me. I buy me back where. Yes, I don't want it. Nobody knows. So what are you trying to tell?
Nobody can force polygamy on
what now?
Nobody can force.
Who has generation to generation?
Nobody can force polygamy on person that we don't need them.
My sister, no, they support batting. It's not a bad word character.
My sister, if he be say second like that, now what did the man want?
It's not a bad word character now, or Nene Esther character. No, because a family problem here.
User. Oh, Tori go come yours now.
All right,
oh, Tori go come now. It's okay. You want to say something? Okay. May I start the love fair talk first? If your touch finish,
if you marry Joy, that will not be our problem now.
I agree. The answer everyone.
A problem na no waroto na ima wasolve now. Whether I marry by that way, Okonikere must respect it, not you. Yes. It does what get tradition, what getting married. Why agency second wife? Why do fear you would imabo?
Thank you for the not the only be better than no can hear respect. Or the man now senior wife they carry us the waka, not be last, not be small, not be small.
Senior wife said they were bullying her. Say to the say she gets a cover for leg. See, get what they're not used to.
Evidence, my sister.
Eh? You see, that she got put tattoo for her leg. She got draw tattoo for all those places to cover all those places. They were bullying her. A lot of things were said when she do that video.
Why am I traditional?
But you know, me say you call the right talk. If not because of my papa, therefore not.
Well, say no, Jola. That what the bed. They don't want to dismiss it.
No. For why they decide the second one? No, just know why. Well, no, say she did wrong.
Oh, they talk. You say nobody bully her.
If you don't,
you can see the young people, they don't want to stay in their house anymore. Gen Z. I want a small now. Before you know, where as the second wife, what you no suffer, no what you cannot see the apples.
Bram Peter, I'm not there with them. Let me tell you, I'm not there with them. But she said it is her mouth that they were bullying her to the extent that the injury that was on her leg, she went to draw tattoo on her leg. You know, they not listen to her what video before Esther can go right on that this thing go they right say if not be papa they for not pay a bride price. They go do you, Bram Peter. They go do you.
My word. No na wa Latin na good thing I be do. If you want just say your this to forget say I be your family. If you want just say your hair. Oh, na good thing I be do. Na good thing even go on when and one la.
Hello,
wa we change enu baba wa we change ene.
Sister Adi, sister is okay. Where's the love? Who come to Anela? Sister Adi love. Sister Adi love.
I agree with everybody. No, I don't say everybody get your opinion. You understand? And again, Wetin I won't talk so. I know they support anybody. I won't talk straight to this tradition and Wetin they happen for our place. First of all, the mistake we many of us they make with the Edo State, with the Nigerians Edo State. If something happen to a person, they will say, "Oh, come your mind." If you collect them, or rice not be your own collect. That is the reason why I say today, batting not the finish for our country. Those things not they happen for Europe country here. Say because say I different collector. You understand? Okay, where they will come collect ADO, now will come they talk and no, not be so. If we they continue they talk all these kind of things, batting not go finish. First of all, let me go straight to the point. First of all, to those of now where they talk say Destiny love Esther pass won't lie. To those of now when they come here, they say, Destiny now our brother, now our relation, now they lie. Destiny don't love Edward. Destiny don't love Esther past Edward. The reason why I won't talk, I will tell you now, because it don't reach like how many years? It don't reach like 30 to 10 years, I'll be 8 years when they follow these people. Even that time, Esther never even did the book. You understand? Okay, the reason why I say Destiny don't love Esther past Edward, you know, say with the Nigerians, now where would they see something they eat? Now where would they see money? Now there, and then would they carry body put, especially where our brother get 2 wife, 3 wife, 4 wife. Now we have the race pass. Who they release pass? I don't understand. That's the reason why when they say Destiny love Esther. Because why? Esther, they show many of them. The family love, they give them money, they, you know, this kind of, you know, now, maybe by toss and me good pass, and me better pass. As Esther stash of B, that's why they do something. You understand? Okay. The reason why I dare against Esther and Destiny marriage, even for where I for come from my papa place, they marry 10 wife, 4 wife, 6 wife, now Muslim. That one our tradition. That one don't mean anything. You can marry 10 wife, 3 wife. I know they against say Destiny marry 2 wife or 3 wife. The reason why I dare against this marriage, be say some years ago, 7 years ago, I be 6 years ago. I remember where Esther they do boy follow Destiny and his wife. When Marcel do birthday, that was 6 years ago. Esther would day back of motor, go carry cake for hand. The video day, for now one me I send it to mama. I don't download the video yesterday. That was 7 years ago, 6 years ago. Marcel is small. The Esther they follow their Destiny as girl. If they follow them up and down, they walk up, motor everywhere. Everyone go there motor. They go there front of motor. My people, make una no vessel. What be the meaning of woman go there front of motor? Who they follow them go there back of motor? Who get the man like that? Not be the one there front of motor.
And the first one they stay for now.
Okay. Oh, this one, I don't know whether many of you know this one they talk. Oh, this thing happened like 6 years, 7 years ago when Marcel 6 more. Anytime Esther always a day back of them. That time Esther never be anything. If they sing, but it never just they okay like this. You understand? Okay. And they sit there that time they comment everything, and then you know, and that period we don't they suspect they say something they happen. Just that the thing never just they pronounce. It never they pronounce. You understand? Okay. The reason why I dare against that marriage, if we say Destiny won't marry another woman, Destiny for go far away. If you find another woman, not be woman where you don't put for your family, woman where you say na your colleague, be I talking, or na your you know you won't brought her up. We talk truth or we be women. Let's say the truth. What they not gonna do? You not let her. Not because you did Esther side, you relate to Esther. This and this, you they benefit for Esther, you come the life for year. Because if you lie for year, that thing will happen to Edward, go see happen to you. By the grace of God, 20 times it will happen to you. Okay, how Destiny? One of the thoughts on the pretty for Destiny say, you know, go last, he go last. He last, he not last, he not concern me because I use the hand to buy market. How you go open eye? A mature man like you, as you say you get money, you feel go kwa. How you go open eye marry woman where you don't deal with her for like 6 to 7 years, and you pretend like say you don't get anything with her. Now your workers, now your colleague, and at that the same woman you come marry for us. When we tell ourselves the truth now, just come here now, just because say we don't like her word, we don't like her word. If her word no good, why would go there with her today? For how many years though? My people, I don't see woman where be saying and the husband don't marry for almost 20-something years. In the last 2 years, now they come put the woman don't advance. So last 2 years when papa come there, where they go Nigeria, now the husband pay by price. It doesn't mean say because say we are not married today, we are married tomorrow, say now you be the best. You know me. Many people say, I tell they talking for minister of so that is if your time reach, everybody getting your time. This marriage of this marriage of a something, many of us they take and say, because I did never marry, for example, I don't marry, this one never marry. And then no, marriage not turn by turn. It can be me today, it can be you tomorrow. Do you understand? The reason why they against Destiny and Esther marriage, Esther already did the book as their friend. You understand? Now when they talk, now when they use our nose, they do that time say that they do something. Right from day one, I suspect they say that they do something. But just that say the thing never just pronounce. They go do Esther like that. They go do Esther picky like that. They go do Esther daughters like that when you get. They don't go do it like that. Okay, the same woman, now Destiny come marry.
Before Destiny marry Esther, I know say he conclude with his first wife, but the woman don't get choice because why? The woman don't first go husband house before, he don't first born before. I know that if you understand, man, when you don't suffer, follow. Man, the time when Destiny they reign, Destiny 1, Destiny 2, Destiny, the woman was there. Everyone was there, Esther not there. That time Esther said they go farm for their place. I don't understand. Do you understand? Since where Esther no Destiny, Esther caused a lot of problem. Both Akobe. Different people. Maybe they talk truth. Esther caused a lot of problem. Both Akobe. Destiny and Akobe not going to play again. Do you understand? My people, that is the reason why I dare against the marriage. I don't go like till today. Till tomorrow I go there against that marriage because Wetin they not go do you, not do it to your fellow sister, your own fellow adult sister. Esther go green, made their house. Woman where your husband say na colleague, one of them come marry the same woman, and again that fake account where write that in Esther do. Esther use fake account right. If Esther like come at me, come swear, maybe I swear. Now Esther use fake account and drop that comment. He can still go reply with your account again. People will come the fix and fake account. Now Esther do that thing. If they find the opportunity where you will take do that thing since then and the right time, Esther now do that thing. That fake account where go write that thing, where Esther go reply, now Esther now do one. Esther na troublesome person. Esther na person where they find trouble. Yes, if you look at Esther, well, forget say they call her Edo Beyonce. Esther never want Edo Beyonce. Yes, you know what Edo Beyonce because no, you know their body. No anything for a body to call her Edo Beyonce because Esther na troublemaker. Esther na homebreaker and a destroyer.
Sister, and when you know,
when you know,
you are here, you are back.
When you know, say
Sister Adilawo.
You know, say you get children, you get children. What they not going to do to you, they do to another person.
Yeah, Sister Adila, please, person not they talk finish. If you start,
that is the reason why I say I dey against the marriage. Esther not doing well. Now Esther use fake account to write that thing for them. Now Esther I want to use fake account to drop that comment for them. Now if go there, go reply with a real comment. Yeah, we they tell ourselves the truth. Those who are the support Esther, this and this. You understand?
Sister, your opinion is your opinion. Other people's opinion is opinion. Your opinion is counted. Yes,
Mama, you are here. So, Mama, we have fed water.
Yeah.
We have fed water. See, wa negbota, equina nota, but not a chance in here. I can't go now. Oh, yeah, OG, when OG, we what I want.
The OG na our person. OG na our person. Sister is okay. Sister is okay. Okay, are you? Good afternoon.
Welcome, mommy. Avena vijeme wa beva wo.
OG, obokia.
Keni die wo welcome, mommy. Keni ma be die wa bavan. And when I say in a little contribution in area yemena.
Yeah, you are free.
Yeah, kabok mommy a mommy untouchable. Oma noma imi oponiji.
Yeah.
Ije West. Eme no buen okwaka bola me o West ujua mie. Wa be mie no we kaka no bi kewe.
It's
ane ibe ka boveri ekmomene. Iji my a day love. Mommy West. I appreciate you. May God bless you.
Amen.
After I read a little scriptures, is a very powerful word.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we are women, right? There is no woman that will be happy that her husband marry a second wife. Even me that is talking. I can remember how my mother loyal to my stepmom. Hello? I can remember then. My mother play a good role no matter what. Today, my mother is still talking about my stepmom. The way she brought my elder sister up. So, and I will still blame their husband, you know, and I have something to say about Edward. A lot of people have been saying different things. Edward had been married before he was in her husband's house when she were committing adultery. No, it wasn't. Edward was a single woman before he met Destiny. Please, we are women. When we are, you know, when we are judging, we should not be joining one particular side. We are women. Nobody is praying for her to fall into this victim. Mama leron in my day this kind of circumstances. You know, and I will say I would blame destiny because every yarrow bear or dafian. Obokan you ne no not dio. Original not dio. Or bene no clear. Or where I will lay my bed out, I could lie on it. It can't but blame me. I blame destiny. A destiny have a big role to play. Edward is not a person of law. Edward, the one over here, she's an easygoing person. Over here, working egwan when it's anania egwan. So na la wo na de baron pa na short na teme be nemeji ko ukwe mayahi keni mebe marevo e ya be jo wodzo when it's anania na lao na be respect na dova wo na ka we na dova wo ge nene gwani na rio weri lohun no emma as our tradition okunadova wo okeke na rio jine okumeki me maso mi ati zingbe no pe adomo ogun ewa no esunu so na lao okuno word o ma legun that woman will be enjoying so many things. You understand? You gotta get video no there. A lot of people have been saying where she came to make a video, she's making parable. No, in my bed, no one is a video no there. The woman doesn't say so. He didn't say anything. She were even thanking people no waiting or when he na la na yo woman ya jojo ma na well ma na ima like na do atemi normal yo egbe no wala wo ko mayakin osalobo agima ogedadoge na lao and ya be ka bo we pon mi jima mommy Sonia mommy I love you I cherish you je ije ni je imi weji. You know, I love you as a mother. The way you always talk about this issue. Oh my God, mommy, osalobo all bless you. If you are in avia unue, that in Jesus, mommy, we say. God bless you
too.
everybody. Bye.
Hello, mama, not verse for the age side. Esther they lie. Esther age not be that age. Esther age go up past that one. Esther cut come up for age. Now I want to tell you.
Okay.
Esther they lie for age.
Please. Mommy, come over tell me here by win allow before my break is almost off.
Okay now.
Sorry, Ligui. I think is it a day love? Voila or tell me so. You said something like a manire where or and all that is a lie. I didn't get that point very well.
I said I didn't get that point some of them, they are lie. They are lie. And if not truth, and if not truth, now those ones where they benefit from Esther, not them. Because that's how we Nigerians be.
I am not Esther's sister. I'm Destiny's sister. I'm Destiny's cousin.
But you are benefiting from Esther.
You said what?
You are benefiting from Esther if you condemn what? Because you don't want to.
My dear, listen to what I said. I'm not benefiting from. I don't understand what you mean by you don't know me. Okay?
We the Nigerians, now our tradition be that. If they benefit from
let me say something, please. You are a woman, please.
I don't know when we are talking.
Please, can I say something? You were talking, I didn't rush you. I allowed you to speak. Please, we're in public. Please, with due respect, when we are talking outside, we should be mindful of what we say, okay? But we don't know each other. First and foremost, the person you're talking about.
But not come here, come the lie. Mona, not come the lie for you.
Adele, please, can you let me speak? Can you respect this platform? Can you let me speak? We're not kids here, okay? Please. Please. Allow me to speak. When you were talking, nobody heard you. Okay? I respect Mommy Sonia a lot. Please, I beg you. I'm not coming here to argue with you. What happens to be my wife? Esther happy to be my wife. My own contribution here is it's for my own contribution here.
Hold on, Mama. Hold on, Mama.
Okay, ma.
Please, before we continue our conversation, we are all learning from these people. We don't hate them. The both of them are our sisters. Let me clarify that. And when you are earning your please try as much as possible not to insult the both side, and don't insult yourself as well. We are all matured here. Let's
Thank you very
respect
much.
ourselves, please, guys. When you ask, it's good to stand for your fame. If you want to stand for your fame, it's okay, it's fine. But insulting someone because of you are standing for your fame, no. We don't tolerate any insult here. Thank you for your understanding, and God bless you.
Okay.
Okay.
For my own
correction, because that was what I was coming to say.
Okay. For my own contribution, I pray for God to give them that wisdom to be able to move on. They are both married. Their bride price has been paid. And my own, that God should give them wisdom, and for them to use that wisdom, whatever issue, there is no home where there is no issue. Whether you are one wife, you are two, you are three, you are four, there is no home that is better than every other's home. There's always an issue. That's why problem is there for solution to come. If you have issue in your house, find a way to settle yourself amicably and enter your house, then bring it into social media. Social media will not help. Whether we from today complain to tomorrow, why did he marry that, why did not marry that one? Destiny has the right to marry as many wives he wants to marry. Nobody has it. As far as he's the one that is funding it, taking care of his wife. Me, I don't have a right to tell him, or neither anybody has the right to tell him. He has married them, they are his wife. No matter what we will say to him today. But my own is that they should have courage to settle themselves and deal with themselves either. There are people that are worse than them outside. There are homes that are worse than Destiny House outside. But it's just unfortunately that these two women, matured women, are washing their dirty linen outside, letting people say all what they want to say. They brought it to themselves. You understand? They are not kids. They are both matured people. This one had children outside before. This one had children outside before. So I see no reason why they are bringing their own issue outside, fighting themselves. So that's just my own. No? I don't have anything against it. Say me, I'm not benefiting from this. They are my wives, and I'm happy for them. And I'm happy for my brother. But my own is that I pray let peace remain in their home. That's it. Thank you, mommy. Where's the mommy?
And sorry to say, as a man, when you want to get married, not marry your family friend. Any woman who don't enter your home before, where your wife don't know, or you don't show up to your
Daddy, not be you want to marry the way you want to marry. Not be you want to marry who you want to marry. Your friend, your childhood friend, your childhood friend can still not be the problem with you did at all. It's not. If not see outside that polygamous home. We all for here, we all for here, we be say out of 85% of Nigeria or Benin, we come from polygamous home. You understand? I shock you, My dad's second wife, Now my stepmother friend, my papa first wife friend. So you not go tell anybody we person will be polygam. We don't say yes. I want to create a polygamous home. I want to be among the polygamists. You don't tell them where they are going to pick their love from. No, sis, for that one, no.
Can you come call this one saying I love now? Destiny, I love, not Destiny love.
Princess Ellie, you welcome. You can speak, sis.
Okay. Love for benefits.
Mommy, why say I was telling why I was say. Since yesterday, I just follow this program. Me want to talk concerning Monica and Esther. If you now go check that chart well, una go see say the minute be the hours interval where that Sister Morgan take comment with the one when Lady or Son Esther take go reply am. This thing is dey close. You understand? And my mom dey tell me say person when is one na person like Monica. Now she go use that fake account take go comment that thing because Monica know say any comment when Esther see for her post, it be like wetin dey ask well. Join fire. The thing they trigger Esther well because any small comment when Esther see, Esther dey always dey vibrate like vibrator. Then Monica can't use that opportunity because it's there now.
She dey find where she go drop money.
Yes. So maybe words is not clear well or the way of them because why? For example, now me carry person matter for give you say mielu ya gbe eje yiri edele na last me and that person when I carry matter come give you say beat this person last. You got the system, me and that person are best friends. We be best friends. Now that thing I see that Monica. For Monica to carry a word, matter for head.
Who they play music now? Come on, go play your music.
Now, Sister Eddie, she don't. No, now Sister Eddie. Sorry, Princess Ellie. Now Sister Eddie, be like say phone the ring.
Okay.
Sorry.
Not be me, oh, not be me, oh.
When they make me, now Monica go write that comment. Because Monica, you know, like now, me, I carry person matter call give you, say, me, no, yes, but I just give you the name, Mama, Mana do ask whether na the pepper the friendship for social media because that time with Edward, they call they wear the same clothes, they go beach, they sing the same music for their husband. As if that thing go pay Monica for me, they go say, no, you bring this person, can't give me. At the end, una two can be best friends. So me, personally, if me your boy agba we Monica ye say kaka to agbe comment ni me making out of that got other words. Now Monica do that one because if there now, if you see her now, Monica just there on top of air words. It's there on top of air words. Oh, man, this one here, waiting because now waiting. I just observe the that one. No, why agree a opinion learning here? Walao.
On me TV,
When you don't tell me Monica, when you don't tell me Monica, Princess Ellie, when I want to get key account.
Because it's not that day.
Get key account. You the fear saga, but it's a big contribute. You fear saga, but you go contribute. Not true. Anyway, no, it is well. Okay, Sister J Blessing, do you want to see anything? Oh, somebody has been here.
Mama.
It's okay, darling. No. Oh, Mama. Daughter of Grace. Now your opinion. No, I know. Daughter of Grace.
Next.
Daughter of Grace. You welcome, sis. Now, daughter of Grace.
Okay.
Now she did talking. Good afternoon, sis. If you are busy, no, other person can. If you are busy, other person can still speak.
Okay, Mom.
You can speak later. It's not
It's
okay.
Okay, Mom. It's okay.
Okay, you can mute and speak later. Hello, boy. Good afternoon. Hello, boy. Good afternoon. Do you have anything to say? You want to contribute? Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon.
What?
You don't carry your mama phone.
I don't speak English.
Mommy,
you don't speak English. You are speaking Yoruba. Okay. J Blessing, my sister, you can speak. He say you know they speak English. You don't carry mama phone. You don't have to speak Yoruba.
Okay. Wetin me I see observe for that Monica side. If it still be true because as what they call am City Naija they talk about them since she never see chance go pull mouth for their matter. So it's possible say Monica fit do that kind of thing. And the thing wey be say Monica come dey always side the Esther be say because of wetin happen past and first they talk and say secondly because they be the same this thing for Iguadalo there. I don't know whether una go understand VJ I will be her or the deba. Okay, Monica lọ́rọ̀ metika pu no or Iguadalo no ya sing one metika pu no ya.
Wasunu Iguadalo, me wasunu Iguadalo.
Wow, obi Iguadalo Monica here. Monica. Oh yeah, obvious as your partner. Why not Iguadalo sing one? Why
like Iguadalo imagine when me make ware.
E kia na deba VJ na go mesunu o VJ. VJ ma.
Iye that deba. Monica that deba.
Oh, yeah, better that deba. Betty, ma shara deba. Every time I got me Iguadalo.
Where me can have it? I deba be here before. So imagine ni ma clear because where? Oga gele mi awon ni we tani no. Kati de pe video.
Oja esie because obi Iguadalo me wa kin. Oja esie Esther kegbe. Ebi no wa gbe Monica no wa ba lo ewe. Eyan do kion se. Verona meri your car your dogi and not doni your merity ya make you go. No jele u na be jia make you go. Monica
you can talk.
When I see about that, ori gaga yo Monica can time ne. Esa ya wa mi again ni nesta ya so bien. Eri ya wa di that's ya wa mi lucky nesta ya so bien. This Monica can tie. Monica can't tell. I want to win an for years. Ebagua has been working for years. So, I say not yari in when I say no selling Leicester. I say not yari. Now, I mean, Monica not do a debate the social media bear. But what there was the Monica a class of my. We are solid behind words. Monica Sanya was be quiet and like what any me was solid. She not the shake. Esther was solid behind. Solid behind Esther. She not the shake. She not the Edward, not the shake for all those the way that they do. Oh, not be a no no. He never just out there in Omiera. La Baseria,
Hey, listen. Sister J. Britain, let me ask you a question, Sister J. Blessing. You not believe on love. You not believe on love. You not believe on love.
I believe on love.
I want to ask a question. Una not go let me ask on my daily mute.
Ask the question now. Ask the question.
Believe on love.
I believe in love. So ask me.
Thank you for the question. God bless you.
Okay. Do you believe love or not, Sister?
Yes, I believe in love. But it do man go me every year with me. Ama we yani carry away both of question to Ebagua was in Europe.
Hello. One person no water. Who attack back on no way, who continue. Oh no, we do believe in love. Who you believe who the next question?
Okay. Okay, man.
The several parochia on making no.
Love is why you feel like that?
But I am a spiritual eye. Me spiritual eye. Me understand me and no go on.
Azo. Obi ye me. A spiritual eye. Where you kere? When not saying na tama we. If
Oh
a lot of things like keep Bessie. Mommy, why you can't clap for her? I tell you, the matter I be saying, it's not about France. Because if we want to talk about matter now, okay, Mona not let the table cut turn upside down. You understand? The matter was Mona not let the table turn upside down. Turn around, say, Mommy, no, the reason I'm trying to say, okay, because for this back, even when your air word now, it don't start time. According to it's even a touch like now touch strong far, but a touch they tell her.
Who call her
on touch is
who call her
Mama, listen, let me wait till we they talk now. She want open her, she want show now. No, listen, Mama. She want show now character. Where we they try, may we tell you. No, listen, let me tell you something. Esther, wait, Esther, see.
Go follow that.
You know why be say polygamy? This is a polygamy. I'm not going to talk about. You know why? Now the food we hungry the both of them. Now they buy. So I'm not going to say. But the only thing when I go say, if a word go really leave the two areas, make the day together. My sister, me myself, will use my own spiritual ITC and pass you all say. The two of them go and look at their encouragement. They're both in their own senior way. They are both encouraging themselves. They both have the same energy. Wetin you will be saying?
Energy. Okay, me tell you when
I'm not
have energy, my dear. Take that energy and take it one side, okay? We don't have that energy, okay?
Talking about their airy side.
We protect about their airy side.
They are saying.
We love our.
You know they are saying. Sister Pretty Omo. They are saying you says it all. At the end of the day, they read. They are saying you every day. They are senior series says he don't talk or everything. He has said it all. Say Esther and Destiny, they are capable. They were made for each other. Now make you see say for a long time they not found themselves. You don't tell where they are two defend yourself.
Earlier the better why I understand where then in Ebagua Miera Esika Esther better for everybody in what one understand you not see any Ebagua na Esther. There
what you benefit you obey Ebagua. I'm not sure of take on her. Then what was I say?
I might be benefit. Benefit. I'm not benefit you, but mommy not benefit.
Mommy not join there for this. Mommy not join there for this. Okay.
Because why? Not Diono. No matter the stupidity, Ena can notice what my Loadooh. Away man, no. Where me what that where you go we no that for we go na kede. What can I say answer ni? Cause what you my yafa e my dey that my girlfriend way na my muso wa. Ima emekunu wa. Okay, get not na my yafa no re mama want to wa. Odo ye 1 year, 2, 3, 4, 5 year, 20, 50 marema. Adafu where be go so wa de wana be no where you go no re me na go e wana me. No, at the point in 2000, the next human head was there at Denny. Area what the guy say. So, Obohano, he was by Wetin now. A girlfriend, he go like one, no better do I know. Oh, only know where my sister or in my affair, bear me on no tani. Me. You can continue.
Everybody will I don't know, they don't go call my village people. My village people now want to disturb my network.
Mommy, because Ebagua time in a what dear. Ebagua to boy time in a what the on from A to Z. Unless you do watch a video. Near what time the social media na they are fake where Rioka robot or Rioka on Ebagua to boy time. You know, yeah, what dear.
A woman
sister. When we go,
what type boy?
Oh no. Ebagua using my TikTok cannot be say mommy.
Oh wow, I greet everybody in the house.
Okay. As if I said for real.
Easy.
Okay, easy for real.
J blessing. O tell me pa bon una we o pa no ka gbe tro e we boy ata bon. Then it's a destiny letter. We no ya me what here because the same video that video ni we no ya tv ni ya me what here if any one be clarify the whole what we may stay here we bo there come on
wetin ye kede or wetin ye kiare tie that we go dey frustrated
here we wetin central na we
when ye ga package we packaging ye ya what ye ga free what the job ri ye that we bo dey or when ye ka we bo we ro pa gun or when betting you got rent moto, near words. We don't have package pay. Or what tattoo you draw by you not doing. Or we can't him or you make you know, we have try tattoo having a cow body in a don't agree your words. Or when you yes, our friend they do a minor, new and that's in the one I have me, I tell you, no got blackmail, not to see your corner arena. One I have a boma, if that's your macara webo. I book my kind here.
Thank you for the gift.
No website no na we ni ka ze we bo ya na ni shintro.
Ope no mwe na ne destiny la je ke la je o no mwe la je what destiny mi agba o mi na egbe.
Lady, thank you very much for the gift.
Donc no we ke destiny la je we no already 2019 we ta na.
E de ni teta won or ata ate ya bai.
Why are ne words here? Because someone not playing in the video, no one enemy la dans l'internet, on to boy it on no vieux video gain.
Oh yeah, we go me don't understand no internet. Any meta, any meta na what to wear. I'm not taking any meta mo wear.
And then where time me that is on me vanuta Una wave
wherever to one that side wherever
va que kan bo e oni ete oni correct bo
but I can go e me fa ni metani ni I can go on the internet now I can go on the social media na ma can
no ni me ho ne destiny social media time in destiny you know ya sa me da me he me no wa hai na we me ta ye we bodze yin ma bodze we boja that yin wa
okay now okay no ma watch the video say wata uma wetin e ka we bore ye ma me rokpa we no ya rent moto ja mie word yen ja package ja mie word no make na ko ni yen hotel let's ma down the video
he got ready live video self he ma down the he got ready live video
uma me no over because man the boom me re me ma me me over
Oma
my web memory card my memory card
mommy me wa
AJ blessing.
Yeah, the way memory card.
AJ blessing. We are dislike we and go no water na
Ma dislike anyone because Esther unless why calculate you why follow me say every day me return it me
wa bava o nize girl come on me
abokin
me sonia
stand on WhatsApp once I get in one of your
sister lady J24 sister choice good
come on me
la wo sister J blessing we ma like Osimi Odoa or to want a character star man like just give me the point.
When are Ebagua we are quick.
Please can you mute? No, we're not mute. My baby they cry for the background. I'm on mute.
So now again everyone even that sister J blessing Egwije ya will be na channel later
Mama la muja Egwi you got tell me about my time for call oya na do
ana me we ga
water wa tell you one and mommy na won wa je gbe mi jana so
no water but wetin that me what dislike opa uhia na we o e ma dislike any one of them but Esther we got wa follow me up no sunu internet ko sani ya Esther ne asaburo ya gbepelele no ya re London asaburo ma is there gbe fi won be social media ne stainless ya gbepelele gbe fi ikebelele stainless ma de gbe fi won be social media wa bere mi no bu me wa bere o se na ka wa ba we me spiritual no wa go
the isaburo be na de le
Esaboro you no like the London. I no gba re ni. Esaboro no gba re for so our video. Our live video.
Esaboro please. Nize get gwan. Okay.
Asaburo wa kin we no gba we social media ro pa no gba ya Leicester eri mi ati ereje selesi wa mi bunu no o kekere wa calculate na gba temi ya no gba
we no see e no say manadam we like mere live videos in me no sumo bo no pa why get ga blame egbe we get me live video oh no see maybe maybe we me ga sabolo ka beg you then
ma gbe we to wa gba beg you na di London next di London ona wa pepelele ona ga wa bati ni Esaburo ma pe no live social media ona wa me followers o ga we live video
Esaburo mami Esaburo ga aneko ge bo yo ga aneko yes your tear results
I'm not agreeing na remember
wa jere minitana wa jere selesi anye selesi vena enwo vega ni no ya
mama my new memory card hold on abi mama ni dala na wa book and Lady J
come mama
Lady J24
okay
very good Lady J you no carry mommy
melo
you na Lady J no Lady J
okay na go mama go
because of even Mama J ga tabege ni Again, near na interview Destiny. Or tie. Or waiting a package.
What's it
I waiting a package, but see what damn you. Even maybe I am autosafe. I know when the way you have yelling word that we safe. So okay, interview ni. Okay, I waiting a package. Because I word na big right on time. Even a word don't have a big man or marry. A man don't have a marry big man. Yeah. So word right for time I can so when you not say you na package or when you ma me rock ba word they drive word get money but you na ba talk man later you dey open up after me this one so even if I need but have a life video na do am here now Destiny na make a word na lie I'm make a word the go not ready and all those one na tell woman love a word okay no. When a word people they say no want, all have very Destiny now.
Me what be I mean we watch na me what be o say na be metite ni tana.
Oh vie. Oh we word we magi want yen kun. E Destiny now vie. E mo do na ota you we bonnet mo to get word. Our word they are we ga gu na ba get word ogbi wa. Ege do idu
that one na then.
Even na.
What me video ni we ni.
So I mean, because the reason I don't want to marry Esther,
Mommy J,
because the way Esther, don't make everybody do and Esther they okay, you know. So he married Esther out of greediness, not because of. Yes, no mame do enjoy me labor you. Marry Esther. Okay, suppose Esther not get name. Destiny go marry woman. No, be man, no man, then no man.
Sister Esther, now you the year.
That one go work. Now because of the name. More they talk.
Sister Choice Good. Are you going for Sister Lady Egui? Sister Lady J, are you done? Egui,
I'm done.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Hey. Mommy Choice Good, you welcome. You cannot speak. Pretty Daughter, do you have anything to say? Anything matter? Pretty Daughter.
Okay, ma. Wow.
Okay, Choice Good, you can speak.
Mama,
you can speak. Thank you.
Oh,
Sister Blessing Shy, Blessing
Child. Sister Blessing Emi no buwo e matter no. E matter wa rock akabo. But uwinya evana no himaro. You understand? A lady of song ogimari no. A word ogimari no. Emi no bombore ba ni we bia no yin na we nyeri okweva. Ya wo bia re okweva o me kweva. Obonu ya mono na ubi ya mono na so that nezo ya ro. Odere neveri ana cause one thing about me. They tell what the waka wa when na ya do are because almost to it can me not blame a word. Ya wa aku I ga agui. I me we no vije. Esther man me wa like you no. You want like a but we no ya that speech evi so no ugbeso edeyo there di wange there we maybe ni mana play wange okwoni ma in short we no ya behave Emma but se mi so no iye total do iwa we how me ipe ya wa na ekeni e kajo amame nye teke ekeni so said for long for how many years okwo badore odo ayole sawunye anything na word o keni e kon le word tiyan kon ni e kon le word no o mo egbori oto na word because yen kaje ni no word on nye ebe no jie omaizi no kwa we pa wadore o wado alele we drago bia omaizi Okay, destiny no made that word. Okay, nihi. A destiny wa beta. Or where what the fimoto ne ye ma so fimoto. Vieka we bore. Ye ma so fimoto ye ma make ni ga yourself. Vi mere words. Tin ya draw a tattoo ye ya na describe kene. Kenya na we ye na ahia. Ye gi support your divan when ye ya miwe. When I we ha. Or now say a beauty ni ye ya de kwen. You know what you say where I understand. Ni anata we a word or mwe a record the latter 2019 ni. Eriye stave mwe oge word the beladian. Abi wa ma we record the so ne word the ta ne ni apehia ne stave ta. Where a word the erioga ro wodo. Wo Ebagua. You got matter magi ye ro wodo. Abu wa ma we ge ni ne estave again na we ani re ha ege ni ana ho we ge ni ge system na no re rejo Emilia ege ni ana ho we ge ni
my mommy, sorry to cut you. After video ni that's night do la dia do introduce we no ya what the abi mommy.
Yes. After a video ni ya do lata we give ni ya owo hiye vavae. Emi no see ne destiny na destiny na marry Esther because also say ye Esther ni. Instrument in your instrument in Esther. Instrument in Esther ya be your do ene we gani. Also say ye ba ni no do ga we yan se ko na o be awe o hia do enjoy. Oya Maresta. And about two, ya deceive word. Emi opani ya deceive word. Ene no be ya deceive word the way. O westa here ido bie. Owo hame la ogunmeri Esta here ido bie. O lady ni yakwe. If not,
but Algeria we surrogate or a surrogate or a sister.
Ona mi am.
She know that one.
He deceive word. He am deceive.
Or you surrogate ya. Am I dem matter?
He deceive lady.
Sister Esther. You go use surrogate born for. You go use surrogate born for destiny. Because when I can now, Sister Esther, may you still get sense now. You go where I ya buku. 1 naira, you get children, sister. Oh, more because I care. I'm married. We are to out of benefit. No married. We are to. If I do, we have a say what see I ne. No, but me peace. I don't know someone got to talk for the matter.
Lady of song give
sister beauty. Sister beauty.
Lady of song give
Good afternoon.
You may don't get way. You may don't get way.
Sister, if you are done, you let me know.
Destiny may be a destiny running knocker star.
Hello, Mama. It's Mama, beautiful one.
Beautiful, yeah, sister. Beautiful.
Good afternoon. I get one question where they confuse me for this people matter. I know. I just want to know I just had a question. Who bring the nude picture of the man come outside? Now the first wife I be.
No. It's not chick. One girl when the first date.
Now one girl when the first wife come to when the.
Not be the first wife. Oh.
What he come to? What did the first wife come to?
Because that time.
You go give Monica that time that year. I should go give Monica audio. What he come to now? When the for the man not get luck say he not stay for which year? He not get luck. What he come do? What he do? They not be forgive her. He bring a video from my side. I wish I start feel
what he go pay the woman that time? I you no woman you carry again you know what fi yan area webo. Don't dey ma be ma.
Ona we Esther le ya.
Ona mo Esther le ya.
You do that one, you do this one, only what I know. Only what I know say she do wrong for all this case so because when I dey watch the way the UK video, if I just
if we just open up when you don't the reach when they swear for person wey no know one no two. If me, I go open up.
Now that's she for yours, now that's she for yours for. Now that's she for.
Your husband feel no say na I will do that thing. Your husband go know. The destiny go know.
No, that's why I will do that.
Because let me tell you something. Even if one, if four couple, me, I not go follow any man. Go any native doctor where he nude picture, he audio. What kind of nonsense be that? Now make this 002 just the say finish. Me go follow one man. Come say your video come outside. Who bring a come outside? Or they go carry me follow body. Make all of the rest scatter go there. Therefore, just that old one, now the way they put itself, now make that 002.
No, it's still good that she take put herself. If not, a problem.
God bless you.
The man had misbehave very
I beg my sister, the fact remain be said that woman don't take that ass for many years. When they pay Dario, they not pay Dario. Me not just like when they just say another woman, they just go there. They don't want to go to big sorrow today. Me, I not just like her. For this, what our mothers do, our parents do, get no day. Now, cause, see, enemy.
Now, their children, what they do, children.
Me,
I wish Esther feel off what she for that offenses. If we for that
president, excuse me, you go follow another man fly, go somewhere now they fly. You will not remember for us. So women.
But I don't remember that time for WhatsApp group when
beautifully may speak a man. Who now let sister beautifully speak a man first. Sister lady West
so women get married to you get that married to carry another person man they fly they knock hand for one and they knock they go. You can't call me say make I for who bring the audio come outside. In short, the people some women I don't prove ask because of TikTok. Who born you? Who born you rich like that?
See you be sister beautifully. Not worry. No, I understand even if you not talk finish. Man, mute.
Which kind of be down? Even if the woman be the poorest or the poorest or the poorest or the poorest. Guys, you should think about people's feelings. People have feelings. People have feelings. Polygamy in nation.
Sister Evangelist, I know. She's coming. Don't worry. We get to your
Make the women try out to them. Make the women try out to them. If they're not 4 for 7 feet, all the men, whether they're polygamous in nation, they're polygamous. If you are fed up of a woman, leave the woman and go for another one. Now, what I wanted the man. If you know you want to go with this one, go. And to they say benefit. Now, every man will do benefit for woman. Now, woman they marry. Now, every man will do benefit for woman. Now, may they go ask all those girls who are there for campus. May they go ask them. Or quite benefit them. May they go ask her what the woman say because you bonowa o me you. Then you bonowa unwe or the Venza muno abi or the Lamborghini muno. Now all the men who sponsor girls go school. Now they marry.
Now
they marry. Now they marry. It do good for you. Fine, yeah. Mugu for my shop. Oh boy, I don't feel married. You get woman for us. I don't feel this stress. You for rest, not be say it do good for me or you no wa me why would you born why you no wa me and me I don't understand the way people take the reason things. So the way me say the
hello sister okay you born in a contract we know he understand a contract in before can help he give better than you lare you banana you will be my second wife.
Thank you, Mama. God bless you.
Nothing like that.
Come on,
let's be look. We already for this platform. Men will talk something with you. Men will not accept it. Nobody should accept it.
Why you going? Because in my head,
Sister Evangelist or Iso Egbeje. Sister Evangelist or Iso Egbeje. Sister Evangelist, you're welcome. Good afternoon.
Sister Sonia Uwese Kakabo, even 4 days ago, who sworn me, if do Guayo, more tied away Esther, or you Korean, or you Korean. Beno Yahoo, a jagability, Imalike. A matter when I make cast a year or ward.
Nana we okpana ri okwe va be ni wo ga ye wo pa na eriyan o e wo pa o deniyan fa pa to pa deniyan fa but ezona de o me no da fin ya click yan fa wa ti e gbe yan hu no ga teme ni latian da do be wa yan pa fe ko wa mi ne ya be blame destiny kakabo. Et si ça pas teme na ban o na do atabe social media na esta ka soin esta o ka soin et destiny kaleme ou give na mai esta o te patron 6 years ago.
Yes.
O te patron te ya o te meni. I feel bad. Now oh, daughter for where get me or we ma o ni ma e fi o ma e ladia yo ka se wa bia ye ba ni bet o ma e marry bet and we had water part 1 part 2 part 3 part 4 we tama e keni na go destiny gui e na hin o bia no se ti o view kwise o ame kwise o vie ha kwa me kwe ha o vie va wa me kwe va emi no na tamawe eta mi no pa wa se bed o hana se ti do lu wa weshi emi a wa de na de destiny o no buhwe ni a evana next time la jabe social media 5 minutes e destiny se ti gbe o se ti buhwe wa bu pesta. No, I don't want my social media. Wait a minute now. We no be ya mudia no. Wait a minute now. Esther, em no see any na mo Esther we no ya we jejebility. Big yon katule mu la dia social media do a italo. And even time said we we musician hin. Em no kakabo wu no what dame and if you dom we hian de reni oku ewe boy ewo ya latiane o emi awasu no we gboda fo yin Esther awa la de ro bibi edo o garobiyan wo parewa o ko we do wa wo parewa o ko ni me ome negocia ko la kieto be di aga ro bi o te latian because although laja do tie bona be customer say me won he level do pe ya was it when I start musician e wo ya wa ni be do wa brought up de wo laja do agui if I know see ogu na do amume no Monica do mwe video ni do mwe le record ni la dia begeni I do conclude me ya we yes obobo han okede but oda finya na we gbe do sinya kokonya evana do aku ewani yana do we video yana do aye wo pa emi kere igwa la dia na we a voice note wa la dia we ya e wo ko ni no siso da fu wa settle we na ugbo we no wo ha no ubu o give away we my we te settle ne wona e bo kede na ima ona do we gbe he mi ma be social media because when we vaga we ga le wa pepi we do we ne kere o da fu wa settle wa ne.
Okay. Mommy evangelist you only get no tag by gwije ogun me gege wa no je Esther no kwere mana we no je seti we wa gutie no je ijo wa
okay
e wa oni no ni mute
you know say je we no je there seti we no je oku emi no say ezo osio na no da fun no introduce ma da fun na no do amo ego ina no na ido lati ya we yan society that all block yin then a lady opa no reside stand do arovi we over sabi oh my yagwan yo before days ago we even a lady new Emma obia ye wani ne ayo we introduce on one need gyoda fun iya mo ego rere do me ego ni we no hasa because udebo ebonati ne destiny nya o ya ba we ubege ana mewe emanu support Esther na we uvasabi my ya time there we right no hasi usani
ubege egeni oku na ne ja wo gbe do ladia no do ya gun mi no sunu da ori yen we Monica we ya fefefe because yan cassette on in before yan va gbe do aku when tama we na no be na igbe gbe do sunu na we audio you send ma no do teme ye audio o he kene ne a musician no bog okay Obo give ya time.
I don't understand though. I do not be this as me on a day.
Yeah.
Can you mute, mama? Mute, ma.
Okay, now why go ma go aja? Mama. Why go je? Sorry. Mama no ga go akiaba. La on mute. Sato.
Oh, I say you mute me. You know say now I don't mute. I know say now our person. You say now I'm mute.
That is why we not get this thing.
Yeah. Like we are trying. You guys should be trying,
Mama,
have a time and I say.
Yeah.
So, mommy evangelist, if you are done, look at my so that Sister Princess me na.
There's one thing here where a lady of pata where Omaya cannot take with a Esther before.
So that
Esther before. No, I will not kakabon Esther. Raw. Oga struggle with musician. Oga quick. But not do ya dekwe. Destiny. A destiny na do kakabodo mudia yeke. Ona do Latin. The whole one night do. So we are not suffer le oko radio. On we do happy we ever do live web. No so boku ni ya no we always error. So all see any destiny na no re because of really suffer le Leicester or do re Latin.
Man respectable can no also not take a radio. Because all those things now I am going now. Because I am young Tana do I make example. They respect it, man. They may be African may where I will permit me over me when I respect it. They say no, we Esther kakwe music ya. Your mind one.
Esther kakwe music. Esther kakwe.
You have agreement in Esther.
Omado.
But I mean, there's some kakwe. Ako beka le Leicester ne. Eka pass Esther ne. Ebagua. So I got it. Instrument ekia.
I betray Ebra destiny.
I tell me betray Akobea, a destiny. And your season Akobea star.
Agboma my 7 on when on me.
If you go wrong, man like a no job no parking up. And no him not your way. That is bullshit. Don't hold no judge the bow. For example, no when we are respected by there to you with a no language. Because we are not season equivalent.
Kakabo,
and respected no honest.
Essa ti contraria.
What ti contraria com Vico com Vagabo? Receive.
Essa ti contraria.
É bueno, mete frente go ya plano com va.
Essa ti contraria, essa de mi ya na do aje me na.
Receive ko.
Why we say Sister Princess? Okay. No problem. Sister Princess, Kaista.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, now you talk about no J.
Come, mommy, let's now good afternoon.
Who is speaking is more than okay. So, Sister Princess.
Yes.
I don't. Yeah. Okay. Welcome, sis. Good afternoon.
My own is too much familiarity is bad. Edward, you put herself down for Esther, and I see say Edward. Now person be say if you carry play go meet her, she go play with you. But if you call a CC finish, she won't call a change. That time they say she be bad person. I remember years back for Genocide birthday, when Genocide do all white party birthday, when Destiny and Esther get issue then. Where
Esther go dey dance for back of party like Auntie Ramata for Donosage birthday party. Destiny just carry her word that time for head. And Esther sabi to pepper them well. I see her to be person like that. Ogwa will pepper them. And that time when her word not give Esther face that time. Esther, every day she dey post her word song that time for her Facebook. They use her music till they miss her word song picture. They post her word song well. Now as Edward come put herself down after Destiny don marry two of them. Now make Esther come see Edward finish. And one come see her finish. The see finish could be over SS. She come see Edward finish. Even pass Isanolandia Nissan. She see Edward anyhow. Because now Edward now put herself down for her. To me, as Destiny say one marry Esther, Edward for just set boundaries. Because I remember one video when Esther do last year. Esther said that time if Edward they come, she go dey fear. Even to look Edward face that time, she know they feel they look Edward face. She called they dry, you know cancan. But as Edward come open up to her, Edward come free herself. Now she come begin call the fat. I will say Edward just keep to that standard. So you be my husband, wife, second. Fine, we are not enemies, but we are not friends. Let's just be on our own. Esther for not see her finish now. All those voice notes when they come out for Facebook that last year, the way Esther they talk, the way Destiny say marry Edward, all those see finish. If for not there. So to me as a woman, if you accept your husband marriage join you, set boundaries. There should be boundaries. Not call they feel say because it's the second wife don't get money, you want to put yourself down for her, or you want to follow her, they wear the same clothes. Even if una be sisters, as far as I want prick una they do, jealousy must come out. Quarrel must dey. So that's it finish. Now to me, I just support her word though. I feel her word now bring her upon herself. I should bring this finish upon herself. Because I would say she don't put herself down for Esther. Esther for not mash her. And I see Esther to be this kind of person where we say, if you put your body down for her, she go mash you finish. Because I remember that time when she never they go abroad. That's why she they praise people when they abroad well. As she can't begin to enter abroad. Now she can't they see the one way sabi dress. They see the one way be say you know sabi dress. Esther, she talks too much. She talks too much. Not only that her music now me like for her body. Because the way she they talk, the way she they do, I don't like her behavior towards that way. Edward, she's very composed. She compose herself. But that body when she call put down for Esther, and I make Esther call see her finish. And when call see her finish now, it could be SS. But wetin happen, but wetin no happen. Everything it call the internet. I said, well, don't realize her mistakes. So I pray me just sit there like that. They are co-wives, but they are not enemies. That's my opinion.
Princess. Sister J Blessing. Mommy new memory card. When anything on attack, you get anything you want to talk.
Esther, Thomas met your press word is in because the spirit word is okay. I jackpa call it I just party. So met your press words or see me na ya you to na. Don't met your press word or one word you want to see.
My dear good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma. Sister, my dear babe, good afternoon, ma. Do you have anything to say? Moderator, I bet Mona drop her. I'm not sure say she knows, say she climb up, I beg. Hello. Your drop Sister Princess Journal.
I'm mistaken.
The matter, I not just normally for me, I support Esther because of what make me support Sister Esther because of her career. I beg, as they say, they talk and so sister. Not the she not go see doing again. She don't mommy part dusty beg. We don't accept. She not go see doing again. Una forgive her. For me, she not go doing again. So, because both of them, the one we not offend each other, not they. You know, say some people they. Now you get the way they say they feel is vote at they open, they talk with it, their mind. You understand? Why some? It not me say person quiet, you say not the offend person. She say the offend person. So even the house, not be say she never find the house. Person don't first did there before, person still born for there. So that one reach where they'll just stay, especially they together make peace. You understand? Because if you say must go talk with the senior one, still do one. That thing, you see, they inch our sister sometimes if she reason. I'm not sure whether anybody reason.
Supposed to the reason. You not supposed to make she the reason.
Sister Lilian Oshodi.
No, I not
Sister
come
Lilian
up.
Oshodi. Good afternoon.
Why come, Mama? Una do abeg. Una carry me down beg. I dey work. I just
Mama, ma quit talk one thing. For that one, she not supposed to the reason. Because she start them. For we get one group where they did that time, which is for the gossip air word. All the voice record go they come out. All the voice record go they come out that time. Destiny, other women born for her, but we know the year of social media. Now only she now why you why you see Destiny with social media. Me she take a easy. Me ya taladia. I can a fake account he work me do the magale fake account who I respond immediately. Who does that? When it never come house, now mommy they call a word that time. Mommy a word. Or you worry in the only tea, and I watch change. So for me, you made them mistake. Yeah, me like the marriage because my baby really ain't go here. You know, to me, you can't be you know yet. If I use the man talk and say when the marriage really fair enter that time, when he born last speaking for, he say no say the man pretend, the man use her take correct the marriage. After the man don't correct the marriage, he and I born your own for. Where
that thing why se fega de ko na marry him man.
Yes. If now maybe she I not go green anyway because when you are auntie anybody no do date economy and way me economy and way is Esther where because me like come and see me or that ferry for me yeah where I want my ya go na in my like e wadi agbon e wa ta wa harusa loboa. Because if now me, the first wife, maybe quit. That is why you see, Imam Rokbani support that the both of them. You understand? I say in a way they should embrace peace. The senior one should also embrace peace. You get
Mama,
if they want to their husband, if you really
Mama, not verse. Now Esther supposed calm down. You know if you say me walk calm down for that Esther, sunu.
But I will calm down.
But I'm making majority are respecting way. How can I what the way or not respecting or respecting no mommy wait on more aware?
Oh, me
Esther calm down. And show them what body man that time now. Okay, start to agree. And that apology, no apology in my bony. And so accepted so master because Esther. I love her so much. You get like her, you like him one girl.
What I see one.
You want love you one girl. But one thing, no, who or you went in there. How do I apologize? It's very bad.
Yes.
Why when you do that? What do I tell why are you saying all those stories for? When we done it, Emma night first and second time. No ya wona ni.
I'm not there in a warrior style. I don't know what to be a problem. And another thing again, Mark, we just
and Emini Eminesta. Mama, sorry, Eminesta. In a few way, when it will be Massati stay Rani, because she must not hear as a was say, I forgot where what the work coming. And when it come, I will be learning a me. You understand? Emmanuel Gua, there are way they do their things. In Esther, a medini low, a destiny or ye medini
Kakabo.
no low. A destiny or ye also like him in a frankita. That's why we go guys sort of but on time with destiny. Oh, what Zaga. Go and settle your house. Uma say money here. Uma say no ado ikwevani. Uma say no ado ya. That is why you see where that is why you see where Ihuoni no kabiyevani. Iyama seti. All of them going their separate way. But that's not when you na ya here.
No, you must see me no going no using your correct marriage. Oh, no, we do drag me.
Okay, then what you get a ladani or do I mean we na lao a pa bat lao and you sunu. Oh, when you might tell me down for me, or might tell me down because I'm a
even that lady no insult na Esther friend Anita. Couldn't believe the way Esther shared the video or share video again.
Esther ma bien Ebagua and your mass sunu that Ebagua the name na. Ye ka kunya ye staff waji.
Well, my home so tired you surrogate ya bi. I don't want to know.
Aye.
Okay, must still sleep with her.
Pay word there. Ogele hit him egbe. Ogele hit him a pay word. Okay, what's in the Ebagua manner longest hat? Okay, for
okay.
Oh, why can you not move?
That comment not Benny.
What's on the manner log hat? Why can not move Esther? Again, Esther na saga abat. Niona si one on a saga. But the phone a real life video. The phone na call you. That man was trying to calm her with babe. Stop. I want
But I tell you, say love there inside. You know, see what they try to see. This is the way they talk. We don't fair talk, man. We don't fair talk at the beginning.
If we get one time, good
afternoon,
sister.
Sister Fashion Page. Good afternoon. But normally, sister, only I can one way love
you. You don't come down for man.
Oh my, Sister France, Fashion Page. You welcome. Good afternoon.
I don't know one of us or wait time now where stop matter where you know yesterday move. Yeah. A recording you know, so I was trying to create that aspect where Esther carried where and yeah, what brutally deeply, you know. But nevertheless, you know one thing, Esther Esther used to be calm, but I don't know the ego or Zoe. That is what on your plan is the feel. The ego or Zoe. She's a very calm woman. On the women. You know, but I want to change. You go also like, whoa, I don't know. You know, but I don't say, but he didn't like any, but sorry, brother. So, what there's a normal rights. I want with Samain. You know, they were the way normal with Samain. That's the way with normal right to have it Samain. You know, I did back pana sokba, because at least in your panya vow, man understanding them. So the only thing me here time and next time I'll try no respect it because of booty or holy day or pocket bay. When it comes to conversation, you can imagine even last year. Similar to in fact or before maybe we say a mama for talk about it last year. It better not be to the extent if you and I interfere in the comment section. If anybody can remember that, you know. So when I comment your next time I comment the on a reply, even Destiny now we reply. Destiny now we go negative nothing to show for it. I don't know if anybody can remember that.
Remember.
Yeah. So
at the end of the day, the content of fake account
for this man. Trouble. Even said the only day I will see maybe when you hear what they want the lads no will now more not to get like the no tower. You ma pa you ma eva. Even that we will not do it saying where you ma no comment even to just say I lay cost on that person no make a comment to me. It's the man also because while they are telling the measure of it, although you don't win out, and how you even start part about where the Esther saga about that for you will not stop here, but or stop us from the measure of the way next time you go that for they would go that for when we be sorry, man, I know the work being and I love you say. We are not John, the Monica again. You can see the way Esther go destiny. I'm your destiny for. You understand me? Mother Esther is always a central. I know someone like Pavare. Destiny going man of Pavare. So we know the way the person of who are being away because we are going in your boy here only you get you know. So and oh no, we have to go that for everybody. How when I go war go anyhow. You can imagine that. Almost so soon. But the only thing that the senior one or only one. No, yeah, a that is it. I'm an again in your you know. That is it. I think I very much. And next time you're back, the later. No try, because I want to make career. I know I can reduce away anger, speech or comment or the way you are going to reduce because if not here like that, do apologize because the matter we career. And any young year do I like to do apologize. It's not that me. I don't really think maybe he really made that apology. Don't like the heart of it. You understand? You know, I'm not going to apologize to a firm somewhere or make a proper apology. Not that way, lawyer or any.
Would they carry again? It
does it.
What are you saying that Kakaboo story for?
Yeah, I even the apology. Who said that is an apology? You cannot say something to the apology. You sit down the proper model person where you're in one only carry one when or when you're not like one, you sit down and make that proper apology to your fans or to people that love your song. Not throwing apology, not
If I'm just when a local musician, one of said on I respond to everybody.
Emma. Because
they told my baby Latana be swap, baby near make a dairy at day. Yeah, fed dinner.
Oh, the doctor lad, here we will give you a guan, every young guaya.
Anyone my understanding now, and I near Sonia social media, what my getting I like on my way, I can't very on my way, I mean you do. Here the baby set your way, I was one Sonia. Well, my way, I am meeting you do.
What I said, I Sonia in a bad way, man, but it's not good. It's not
I am on the offer.
Women see where J blessing where you say it's time and you say this.
Yes, what I want. Let's what my notice say.